Did you know that Iceland, a small island nation in the North Atlantic, is considered the most peaceful country in the world? It consistently tops the Global Peace Index, a comprehensive measure of national tranquility. Iceland's remarkable position is attributed to its low crime rate, absence of military, and remarkable socio-political stability. Year after year, this serene destination continues to set the global standard for peace. Yes, this island nation is not just land of fire and ice, but also a haven of tranquility and peace. Iceland, home to just over 360,000 people, is a place of captivating contrasts. Enveloped in the arms of Mother Nature, the island is a unique blend of fiery volcanic activity and icy glaciers, painting a canvas of extremes that is truly mesmerizing. The land is alive, with geysers spouting from the earth, and the midnight sun phenomenon painting the skies with hues of twilight even at the stroke of 12. But Iceland is not just a spectacle of nature's whims. It's a testament to human adaptability and sustainability. The country harnesses the power of its geography, tapping into geothermal and hydroelectric sources to fuel its energy needs. The Icelandic language, with its Old Norse roots, echoes through the valleys and mountains, spoken by a population with one of the highest literacy rates in the world. So in this land of extremes, each day is an adventure, a story waiting to be told. But what truly makes Iceland stand out is not just its landscapes, but its people. The Icelandic Spirit is a blend of resilience and creativity, a testament to their ability to thrive in an environment that can be as harsh as it is beautiful. This spirit is visible in their strong sense of community, a bond that is as solid as the basalt columns that dot their shores. Belief in the Huldufolk, or hidden people, adds a touch of mystery to their culture. A vibrant arts scene reflects this, with music, literature, and visual arts often drawing inspiration from these ancient tales. Icelanders love to read and write, a passion that has given rise to a nation of storytellers, each one a thread in the rich tapestry of their shared history. Sustainability is not just a buzzword here, it's a way of life, deeply ingrained in their ethos. In Iceland, the spirit of the land and its people are intertwined, creating a unique and fascinating culture. Iceland, a place of peace, extremes, and vibrant culture, is truly a world in itself. Remember, this is the most peaceful country on Earth, where the land hums with the power of renewable energy. It's a place where the geography is as diverse as it is stunning, and where the culture is rooted in a strong and spirited community. So whether you're a travel enthusiast or just someone curious about the world, Iceland offers an experience that is as unique as the land itself.